How to edit and change your password on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit it. First open your browser and now on Siri here, click on your profile here in the top corner and then click profile, and now scroll down until you find this one, current password. You will find it like that. Click change and you will find current password. Now just type here your current password and here type new password. Now all you need to do, just click save and it will be saved. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.